Welcome. In this video I will show you how to synchronize RGB effects between your Logitech G512 X keyboard and your other Logitech devices. So first of all, we have to connect our keyboard to our computer using the USB-C cable, and we're gonna have to launch the G HUB application within our PC, and then what we have to do is also connect our other Logitech products that support G HUB software, and like our mouse, for example. Then you're gonna have to go to your keyboard settings. In presets, you're gonna have to select the effect that is supported by different Logitech devices. So you can see a bunch of different effects, but not all of them are supported by all Logitech devices. So for example, if we select reminds me of, it's not supported. It is only supported by this keyboard. So we're gonna have to use some simpler effect. And once we use it, you can synchronize lighting options by clicking right here and selecting your Logitech devices at the bottom. After you do that, your RGB colors will be synchronized between your Logitech devices. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.